Now, if you're managing all of this stuff with files, you put in a part number and you can, up here at the top, and you're seeing all of these different things. It could be a step file, a PDF, even other model files that have no bearing on that. But if you put a part number in Vault, you see just the part numbers. And then underneath that, you can see all of the different related files, right? It's a nice clean container, which is nice, but we're used to, engineers are used to using Vault. They're used to complexity. When you get into people that don't use Vault every day, let's say they use the thin client, that's what we see right up here. When they put in a part number and they're looking for files, they're going to get this huge list of things, and maybe they can puzzle it out. You're asking somebody to, look for that part number with PDF, and if you use CAD every day, it seems, oh, that's simple. You just do it. But there are people that don't sit in front of a computer all day, and that don't like computers at all. It can be challenging for them to sort through a list of things and find what they're after, right? So if you have an item-centric workflow, right, you can say, I want to search for items instead of files. And that same number, again, now you just have those 3 part numbers to pick from. And on that part number, now you have all of the relevant documents. So I know for that part number, this is exactly what it is I'm looking for, right? It's much easier for a lot of people that are not used to using, computers all day and big lists of files to get exactly what they need by just searching for a part number and getting that list of part numbers succinct. These are all of the part numbers. And if they type in the exact part number, they're only going to have one record, period.